Welcome back to Mythic Machines, and today I got a special video for everybody. This video was recorded over Thanksgiving break. As you can see, the video in the background is playing. That's because the audio for the video is completely garbage. Unusable. It's sound of silence. It's nothing. So I'm gonna do a voiceover, talk about whatever on the video that's playing, and that should be good, hopefully. This is my first time doing a voiceover, so work with me here. Alrighty. But before that, about this video is about my brother's first test drive of his 1972 Chevy pickup, which has been airbagged and body dropped. It is a complete custom built frame for it that he all did himself and everything. And then he also has a supercharged 350 in it. But yeah. But before I do anything, since the sound is completely gone, I'm going to play a video for you that I took after the truck running and started up, so you understand what it hears. So if you hear it, you got what you could play in your mind as you watch the rest of the video, what you'll be hearing in the background. But unfortunately, with audio issues, you don't. And of course, the microphone that I use to record the video of the truck is terrible, and it's completely blown out. So here you are. But as you hear, the truck sounds great. It's even a lot better in person. After all, the mic quite blown out from it. It's quite loud. But anyways, enough about that. As you can see, we're just getting the truck out of the garage. You see, we got to back it out, get it off the ramps. Now we just got to inch it back and forth to get it out of there. Unfortunately, I don't have more than one camera, so I don't have any other camera views other than the points where I move the camera and show the different angles. Yeah, we're just trying to back it out, move it. But this part is quite boring, and I'm gonna fast forward to something different as we get it out and ready to go around the corner. So I'll be back in a second. Alright, we're back, and this is right here where we're going to be clearing the garage, getting around. Fully cleared of it, so we're just finished cleaning up in it, fired up, and he's pulling it forward. And there she goes, going cruising. And here I come to go get the camera, go watch him go around the side of the house, and this is where we run into our first problem. As you see, the back right tire starts spinning. And I'm telling him he's stuck. Like, hey, your tire's spinning, you're just throwing dirt. He doesn't want to listen to me. I'm trying to adjust the camera there. You see the tires throwing up dovetails. Or ducktails, I think they're called. I don't know, something like that. Something about a tail. You see, there he is, just kicking dirt on him. Like, hey, tire's stuck. You're not moving. looks like it's only a one-legger. He's like, oh, that's new to me. I didn't know that either. So, I'm trying rocking it. And we're rocking it, but it's got the little hump there, and it just digs more, and I didn't realize I put the camera right in the line of fire from the tire. Look at that. Oh yeah, we're stuck there. So what happens when you have soft dirt and a stiff frame. At this point, he finally believes me. He's like, yeah, I'm stuck, and he gets out and sees how stuck he is. So we go to the old off-roader's ideal of getting unstuck and find some wood stuck on the tire. See, he grabs a little flat square there. He goes, oh no, it's stuck. He grabs some more. We stuck him onto there, hoping that will work. So yeah, we get the wood stuck under the tire, get it under there, hoping it's gonna work. So we got the wood, we got it stuck under there. We're hoping that's gonna work. We got 3 pieces of the flimsy wood we used. So he goes back and ready to get jumped in and fires her up. So she starts up there, and you know, he has some old fuel in there, so when it was in the garage, the fuel was quite eye burning. Good times, good times. You see, starts going, goes a little mud, and nope. He's literally not touching anymore. And try pushing, try pulling out of there, but no, it's quite heavy. It's not flexing how it should be because he made it quite stiff. And at this point, I see like, hey, you're not touching the ground over there at all. And he goes, what? And doesn't believe me. So he fires her back up and tries again. See, she starts to red back right there, big old puff of smoke. Blah, 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 blah. Very good truck. Very good. Tries again. So I try rocking them and made a little bit, but not enough to get out. Oh yeah, just completely stuck. One thing we learned, this truck does not leave the pavement. Now he's getting out, looking at it. He's like, oh man. But anyways, he tries pushing in after I was, because I wasn't doing a good enough job. I'm like, alright, I'll help too. And we try, and it doesn't work. I almost fall on my face right there. You can see, nope, not pushing it. It's stuck. He goes, am I hitting something? No. Yeah, so at this point, we're like, okay, gotta get a plan together. So I go find some more wood. And I go, oh yes, you got the wood up front. Got a 2x4, a 2x6, I think it was. So I went over to grab them. So we back then. And I'm back, and I bring back the wood, like I said. Pretty accurate description of what I went and got. But all of a sudden, I see a neighbor came out, because, you know, right next to his house. He make a lot of noise. He comes out, says hello, sees what's up. He's all about it though. He doesn't mind. Then brother grabbed the jack it up, and put it on top of the wood. But unfortunately, no flex. That's spoilers. You gotta watch the video. And we're cut about a couple of minutes, and we're back with the winning attempt of getting it out of there. Alright. You see, here we go. I tuck the weight of me on the back and holding her down on top of the wood. When she first starts to take off, oh, spits it out, but lands, and we're good. Oh yeah, she cruises. And right there, we run into the final disaster. We're like, all right, we made it, woo! And he stops and he's going towards the house. And we're like, hey, what are you doing? And he goes, oh, steering broke. And we're like, oh no. So he gets out like, son of a bitch. Just rubbed against the fence a little bit there, unfortunately. But now we're back on to the broken. Unfortunately, as the terrible cameraman that I am, this is our view for a while, so we're going to cut forward till there's more interesting stuff shopping I'm going to show you. So, cut that forward. Like I said, here I am coming back to move the camera and get a whole new view. As you can see, was just going straight for the house. And we're like, oh man, this is terrible. But this is the view for now, and so I'm going to cut forward until I change the view, because nothing really happens. It's just me and him running back and forth, seeing what broke, what happened to it. So you can see if we can fix it there and get it rolling again, or what we got to do. So, until the next. Alright, so here I come, gonna grab the camera and take you on a journey. Now see, the journey is to... Guess I gotta take a minute to get there, and here we go. And then we're off. Oh, look at that stable camera. Oh man. Oh, it's so terrible, it's great. Oh, you can see the shadow. See the roof, the house, oh yeah. And there we are, bam! Look at that sexy front end right there. Oh, she looks good. That truck looks really good like that. I'm gonna try to bring you in here and show you that down there, but it's too dark to actually see on the camera. What was broken, which is this little homemade custom steering linkage, popped out and it broke, and so he put a gear on. So what he did was he took a gear, splined it onto the steering column, the end of it there. Well, that had no roll pin or anything in it. What it had was set screws, but the set screws weren't strong enough to actually hold it. So that's what broke on it, and he's fixing it. Not today though, not in this video. But at this point, we're just gonna see the front end view, or just I'm just walking back and forth, and he's walking back and forth, trying to fix it, see what we can do. So, I'm gonna cut most of that out because it's just dead air. And I'll be back in a minute. Or not even a minute, in a second. Alright. And the point of the video came, got the camera, we're taking a cruise back over to the block of the wood. I was making a joke. That wasn't tremendous or superb, but technically, that was his first skid he ever made with that truck. Yep. Kind of depressing. Let me see the back of it, and that's all I wanted to show you there, so cut it out to the next. Alright, so I lost the footage, pushing it back to there, and I just moved the camera, made sure it was turned back, turn it on and working. And as you can see, we pushed it back, and how we're getting turned and everything is we're back in the, we're jacking up the back and sliding it over, because it's a lot easier than doing that than trying to turn the wheels. They say we have jack on a block of wood, jack it up, and you're gonna push the side of the truck over. But you see to the right there, that's also my brother's, one of his cars. You know, this 240. He did all the paint and body work and everything on that too. Yeah, jack it up and we're pushing him over. I was watching him. He wasn't doing very well, so I decided to help him. He needed a lot of help. But yeah, that's how we got it back onto the cement there. Jacked it up, pushed it over, and we pushed it back, and that's how we got it back. At this point we got it jacked up, it's gonna split it over, so we're starting to push it back. So you're pushing it on the tires. That was the easiest way to push it. For this one at least. Yeah, we just roll it on back till we get to the curb, and then we gotta really get it some momentum to get her up there. But that is the adventure of me and my brother over Thanksgiving break, over the holiday. We get in his truck first test drive. And you see how well it went. Got halfway down the house, and I think that was pretty good. So I definitely learned a lot. Definitely learned the truck does not leave pavement, and steering and set screws do not work for steering. Some valuable lessons there. The more you know. But yeah, that's how we get on the cement. Jacked it up and pushed it over. Yeah, I guess we didn't use momentum. We just jacked up the back and pulled it over on top with the jack. Oh yeah, good times. And here we are, back on the cement. That's her resting spot for now, until she gets her steering fixed. But that was our adventure of trying to test drive the truck. Cut out a lot of all the boring stuff. Just standing there looking at it, kicking tires, that kind of stuff. So you didn't miss a whole bunch. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and you find my brother's build interesting. I'm sure eventually he'll upload the video that he's recorded for the truck, and yeah. So this is our Thanksgiving special episode. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, ring the bell, do all that good stuff. Share with a friend, or don't. Share with an enemy, just in case if you hated the video and you want someone else to suffer. So yeah, thank you. And next video we'll be getting back on the Cougar. So stay tuned and be ready for that one when it's all done and ready. Well, thank you for watching.